When Abigail comes up to do the magic, right? She's going to use these hankies. She's going to... Well, open your mouth. Come on, give it to me. Drop it. Drop it. Look. I'll put it in my pocket. I'll put it in there. There we go. Good. Right. So what was I saying? Yeah. When Abigail comes up to do the magic, right? She's gonna... Where did that come from? Listen, drop it. Drop it. Look. I'll put it in. Right? Just remember, I've got one in this pocket, one in this pocket. Right now. Okay. Drop it. Drop it. Look. Is that the last one? Are you sure? Right, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put the ball in the box, right? Then I'm going to close the lid. Then he can't get it, can he? Ha ha! See, I'm smarter than you, wizard. Right, you sit there, okay? There we go. You put it in the box, right? So, when Abigail comes up to do the magic, right? I put the ball in the... Give it to me, just drop it. I'll tell you what. I know, look, we won't use the balls, we'll use the hankies instead. Look, listen, hold on to that yellow hanky. You've got to hold that for him, right? So he's got the yellow one, right? Now I'm going to get the blue one. Okay? And the red one, right? So I got two.